In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off subtitles and captions plus audio transcriptions in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the options until I spot subtitles and captioning. When I see it, I tap on subtitles and captioning, and that takes me into the section where caption and transcription settings are located. Alright, now that I'm here on this screen, I look for the option labeled closed captions plus SDH. This is the first thing I'm adjusting, so I tap the toggle to turn it on. The change applies immediately, and there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. Next, I stay on the same screen and find Show Audio Transcriptions. Once I see it, I tap the toggle to turn that on as well. Just like before, the update happens instantly, and I pause here for a moment just to make sure both toggles are set the way I want. After that, I back out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Subtitles and Captioning, and toggle Closed Captions plus SDH, or Show Audio Transcriptions again. Sometimes I like to remain on this screen for a moment and scroll slightly just to review the options before leaving. It helps build familiarity with where everything is located, so I can find it quickly next time. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to turn subtitles, captions, and audio transcriptions on or off on your iPhone. And once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.